I'm gonna make a video of me and my cousin. We're gonna, we're gonna make our bed. We're gonna wake up at 5 and 2 hours before probably stuff happens. We're gonna see if anything happens, and he's gonna be the timer to wake up at 5. And
that's scary.
I'm gonna get a blanket.
Yeah, you can't sleep in here.
Yeah.
I know.
Sorry.
We're gonna have to go to bed right now.
Here. Yeah, we'll have to see if stuff happens when we're done with our video. I'm gonna put my camera right here. And then stuff happens at the door. Junior's gonna probably put his timer or put it right there. So it happens up on the bed.
So you're...
Guys,
Oh no, he said something.
Setting up the
He said
camera.
something
3.
will happen at probably 3.
I thought you were going to do this at 1 in the morning.
No, what are you talking about?
We're on film.
We have to
3,
make our bed,
1.
Junior.
Are you sure you have enough memory?
I don't know.
It's charging.
Bro, my phone's
You
on.
have enough memory.
Oh, I
I
can't
remember
see
if I
it.
Yeah, I know, but it still needs to hold up how much space.
Oh, my phone's on 38%.
We're leaving the door wide open.
It might be on 20 or something when it ends.
We're leaving the door wide open.
You better wake up at 5. Is your time set?
No, it's set as 2.
2 in the morning, that's an hour before stuff happens. Well, we didn't see all the stuff that happens. I'm not. I can't go to sleep after I wake up. So, I guess I'm dead. You better stay up with me. And Anna, we're going to go to your room and wake you up. Hey, what the heck?
Yeah, if I actually wake up.
I'll throw my phone at you. And then
Jessica's trying to wake me up when she's in bed.
We're going to be setting right here. I'm going to be setting it right here, guys. Right here. It's going to be super scary.
I'm scared. And my dad's out there. And my mom.
Yeah, he's
washing. My mom's washing.
the dishes. Something.
No, she's washing.
Well, I'll go back there, bro.
She's washing the towels. No,
Yeah,
my
I'm
dad's
going
in there. My
back
dad's in there. You can use my mom's.
Oh, I'm not using your mom's.
Why?
Because
They're master bedroom.
and
Scary in there.
yeah, scary.
Scary in the bathroom. For me, it is.
In your old house, there was like crickets and stuff.
I know. Cockroaches.
Yeah,
Because that had no AC in it.
that's bad.
Mm-hmm. So one of us going to
But your dad got richer, huh?
Bought a new house.
Guys, I hope you subscribe on this. Oh, if anything happens, if you guys don't subscribe and nothing happens, that's good. But
if
something
you don't
happens, please
subscribe, I'm gonna.
subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna kill you.
He can't kill no one. He's lying. But
I know, Mom.
subscribe if something happens. Don't subscribe if nothing happens. You can subscribe or leave a comment, anything you want,
But give it that thumbs up.
and ring the bell if you guys want more.
My
We'll make
video.
more videos.
It's right. My camera's right over there. I don't know if you can see it,
Sure.
but let's take this camera over there. You can see that it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording
there.
already. Look at my feet.
Recording.
Yeah. We didn't have this up. We're like masters. I'm just playing. We can die from this. Some people die doing this.
We're not.
Like the stupid ones where there's actually ghosts. Where's C?
Get up. Real quick, I need to tell you something. I need to tell you. So the fans will.
Oh, what?
So the fans.
I'm going to the bathroom, guys.
Yeah. So. Nothing has happened. Till Monday. Wait on. JJ,
What?
I got an idea if we
My
die.
name is JJ.
Oh.
Face Ballard.
Face Ballard.
What?
Guys,
I'm gonna get older doing all these videos. I'm barely 9.
I'm really 9 too.
He's older than me. He don't
Yeah.
look older than me.
His birthday was in February, mine's January.
Mine's February 1st. Is
Dude,
January
that-
16th or 17th?
Blaze Ballard.
What?
I got an idea if we don't die. Look at this. This protects
This
me.
ain't JJ.
That's why I never die in here.
Then
And I
there
have
didn't
another
be no
one.
ghost up in here. This
I have another
Let's
closet.
show 'em.
I have another one in the closet.
Look at this. Is why my cousin's really safe. These are things
And
are
I also
good to
have another
use.
one in the closet. It's
Good
big.
thing that this is here. Nothing will happen probably. Hope
It's like
so.
the size of
Well, sometimes I
than
don't
this.
because I want to see if something happens and
bigger
subscribe.
than this notebook right here.
What?
Bigger.
This is heavier than that notebook.
Heck yeah.
Oh wait. Oh no.
Yeah, it's heavier.
No. Wait.
It's totally heavy. Heavier.
Yeah. No wait.
Definitely.
They both feel weak though. Now they do. Oh my God! Look it. Look it. I just found it right here. Bro. Damn it.
Oh my god, guys, is that my wallet?
I don't know.
Dude,
Is
no,
it?
it's not. Remember I lost my wallet and I had the $100 in it?
I don't know, but look, guys.
My wallet, dude.
The video that I post is when he
Oh.
started crying about his fidget spinner when it is broken. Look it. Come on.
Is there still money in here?
No.
There's still money in here. There's $3.
Shoot. Oh yeah, you already told us we had $6. Hey guys, it still spins only if you hold it. I don't know how much it is. Look it. But look it when you hold it. Yeah. Because you're missing a bearing. Look.
That's why.
Yeah, that's bad. Look at when you hold it down. That's good. That's how it should be.
Let me see.
So guys, we're going to pause the video and at least start the video at 1. It's already 11:56. So we'll see you in deuces. Guys, what's up? We're about to go to bed and we're going to see if anything happens. Please tell us if something happens. I just might watch over this video and I don't know. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, we have to go to bed.
Yeah,
anyways.
tomorrow.
Come on, let's go to bed tomorrow.
Let's go.
Get this pillow off the floor. I'll sleep with this. Ready?
Let's put our pillows like this again.
Why do I have to sleep on the edge?
So it won't
You know
fall.
I'm the youngest. Fine.
So, I
No, so I can get touched by the ghost first. There probably won't be one, or there is. We don't know. That's what we're trying to find out.
I need to bring that glass one out. That other is the same as that, but it's like, I'm gonna take it out.
Hey, we need another blanket though. Oh, there's one right here that you guys.
That's the
The
sleeping bag.
camera's on.
That's the sleeping
We
bag.
can use this sleeping bag, huh?
Dude, I slept in that in the summer. That's hot in there. Guys, I'm unbuttoning my shirt. No, leave it, leave it.
No, I'm sorry.
Dude, the break is gonna.
Guys, look what my cousin's dad and his other build.
Big brother,
Yeah, big brother.
Gabriel,
It's
he's
really-
not here.
Gabriel, he's not here. He's at my house with my
Yeah.
brother, and with my Theo,
I think,
and my mom, Thea, and grandma. So
I think
my
they're playing
cousin.
some video games. or
Yeah, they're probably playing Black Ops, Call of Duty Black Ops,
something.
Zombies.
GTA.
Yeah, they play all kinds of games. But look at this artistic
Mostly
Lego
Black
thing.
Ops.
Five Nights at
But
Freddy's.
we don't play with it. You're not supposed to play with it. Ooh, look at the wrestler I got. The new wrestler I just got yesterday. The Miz, but in Fandango's clothes.
Fandangos.
I don't know how to say his name right.
Me neither.
Fandango.
Eh,
Fandango.
Here, forget it. Come on.
Fandango.
Guys, I'm
It's
gonna get
close.
older and older by the
Because
minute.
my dad found his head and he found Fandango's body and just put the Miz's head on it.
He did?
Yes, for reals,
Yeah,
JJ. For reals.
Really?
But I actually got this online, guys. Cheap man.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry we're wasting your time. Let's
I
get
had
to
this.
it.
My
We're turning
brother got
off
this.
the freaking light and open up the door all the way.
Oh, we're not turning off the light at all.
We slept with it last night off. And the
Yeah,
door
but
all the way
we didn't-
closed.
But what if the light turns off? We have a night light.
Yeah, then we can use
No,
it.
leave the door open.
Alright, turn off the light. Guys, the guys can't see this.
Oh, they can't see. Sorry.
How you guys gonna see though? How you guys gonna see?
Dude, my camera's still filming. It's probably red hot or something.
That's scary, guys. I guess we're just gonna leave the light on.
No, I guess I can turn my night off. We're gonna have the door shut. Because we don't have no creepers. I want to be creepers.
No, only a little bit open. Like that. Yeah, cracked open.
We don't want any creepers coming in and being creepers.
Guys, if
we
you guys
decided-
can skip through this video.
We just
And go
decided
serious.
we're not going to bed at all. We're staying up.
That's gonna be hard though. I fall asleep like for a long time. Like I stayed up for a
We're
whole
only
night
staying
just
up till
going to
1.
our tia's house. Me and my brother a long time ago when we were younger. We packed everything and we stayed up all night. We went in the garage and go see if my mom was home with her truck, and she just popped up in her truck because she came back from a store, and we told her she saw us in the garage, and then she just went in our room. We act like we were asleep. She said, "I know you guys are awake," and we just told her we were staying up all night just getting packed, and she said, "Well, your tia Tina." She's not gonna take you guys. And my mom, I think she took a day off. I forgot about that, but
Oops.
yeah, that happened. He just turned off his tablet. Bro, this is YouTube, guys, and he just turned off his tablet. Not YouTube. Bro, what's your YouTube channel? What's your YouTube channel? What's your YouTube channel?
Guys, I think I just saw the door like moving.
You didn't. You acting like stuff happens.
For real, JJ.
I'm gonna go to sleep. He acts like stuff happens all the time. I'm younger than him. Now I have to sleep on the end. You lucky mother.
Well, I had to sleep on the end 2 days.
Yeah, but that's when we're not videotaping and doing YouTube videos. And that's not when we're trying to do a video of ghosts.
Fine, we'll live like this.
Hey. Someone's gonna pull him off the bed. Oh, yeah.
Only if we do that eraser challenge that Carlos did.
He's my cousin, though. My best cousin and my other best cousin. I hate you. Even though you're my best cousin.
You're my second best cousin. The second is the best.
See that face, though.
Yeah. Because my other cousin, I don't want to be rude to him. He said, my favorite cousin is me.
Yeah, and I said, you're my best cousin, too. My favorite.
He even wrote that in his journal. He said because he does wrestling with me. Because I actually do wrestling with him. I fight with him. And I do play with the wrestlers with him.
You play with me and we wrestle, and we play with the wrestlers, and we play video games. I hate you. I wish Gabriel was here.
Wait, why? So you go sleep in his room? So I
Yeah.
can die?
Yeah. Hey, I can be. You can be making YouTube videos. Him playing GTA 5 or Endgame.
Whoa!
Me and him be playing zombies. Infinity Warfare zombies. You're dead. Bro, boom. You're dead already. You're a zombie. Hey, brother, you need me in the back. I'm gonna go get a drink of water. Stop. Come on, let's go get a drink of water. Oh, it's just on the wall. It's scary. No. But that's scarier. Where's my cup? Oh, yeah, it's all being. Get my cup. Oh, I still got soda.
By the way, cool cups, they have Denny's.
Sorry, yeah, guys, sorry, we're really tired. Hey, I got her fidget spinner. I got Anna's fidget spinner, guys. Okay, I got her fidget spinner. She's down below left in the kitchen on the table. I'm just visiting. It's like the third day I visited, huh? I spent the night. That's the dryer. Oh, yeah, washer, whatever. I don't know, you guys. Like that. Shh, it has to be cracked open.
So what are we gonna do? We're not gonna go to sleep.
You're the one who want to go to sleep. So,
Well, you said you better stay up with me.
yeah, real. So what are we gonna do? Play with the wrestlers?
I guess so.
Oh, we can't though.
Why?
And you have to watch videos on your phone though. I mean, tablet, because I got my own phone and we're making a video. And I can post this and you can watch it. You guys can always watch the video. Any video I make.
Oh,
I could be at Tina's making videos. I could be at Walmart. But
Look at
my
that.
mom
I got my Nerf gun.
My mom would
Custom
never
made
let me do a
stickers.
4 hours overnight challenge at Walmart. She will never. Me and my brother made a 4 at
By the way,
Walmart.
look what I did. I customized Nerf gun.